So in this video we're going to use linear interpolation to estimate the median from a table with grouped frequencies. Now we've got a table of scores here from 0 to 20, 20 to 50, 50 to 75 and 75 to 100. These are the percentages of scores in an exam. And the frequencies involved in each one of these range of values is listed down here. Now the formula for linear interpolation to estimate the median, I've written here E subscript m for estimate the median. And we've got L here, which is the lower limit of the median class. So let's find that first. So to find that, first of all, we need to find the total number of observations. So we've got 7 plus 42 is 49, plus 48 is 97, plus 23 gives us 120. So therefore we want the 60th and a half position. So if we go along adding up, we'll find out which position the 60 is in here. So 7 plus 42 is 49. This one goes to 97. So our median position is in here. So the lower limit of the median class is in here, 50 to 75. So it's 50. So that's our L value. N we've just calculated, which is the total number of all observations, which is 120, and that accounts for this one here, 120 divided by 2. As it's the median, we want the half position, so we've got 1/2 there times n, minus c. C is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, so it's not just the frequency of this one, which is a preceding class, it's the total of all the frequencies. So we've got 7 plus 42, which gives me 49. Then we divide that by f. F is the frequency of the median class position. Well, that's my median class position, and that frequency is 48. And then the range of the median class position, which is our h, which what we multiply by, is here we've got 50 to 75, so the range of that is 25. So now we've worked all those values out. That's the hardest part of this question done. We just need to plug that into our formula and calculate it all through, which you can do by calculator, or I'm going to do by hand on here. So L is our 50. So 50, that's our lower limit of the median class, plus n over 2. N is the total number of frequencies, and that's 120, divided by 2, subtract c, which is cumulative frequency up to the preceding class, which is 49. Divide all that by f, which is the frequency of the median position class, which is 48. And then times that by the range of that position, which is 25 from this table. And now we've got all of that, we just do our calculations on that. So let's just simplify each bit at a time. So 50 plus 120 over 2 is 60, minus 49 gives me 11. And then divide that by the 48 and times 25. Okay, let's go on a bit more. So then we've got 50 plus 25 times 11 is 275 divided by 48. Okay, so put that in the calculator, you get approximately 55.7. So our median score for this classroom here will be 55.7%. And that would be my answer to find my median. Okay.